have made IoT based predictive maintenance for industrial motor. So these are the parts. We are using ESP32 development port, SD card module, feeble jumpers, current sensor, voltage sensor, LCD, motor, temperature sensor, accelerometer. So basically it is IoT based. So first let me show you how it runs. Let me reset it. I have resetted it. So all the values are showing it, and as well as it is IoT based, all the informations are coming to it. It is sending data to ThinkSpeak. For IoT platform, we are using ThinkSpeak. So this is the ThinkSpeak. We have do not connected any wire, just to run that, and all the sensor, all the data is coming to ThinkSpeak. And every information is updating. So you can see current as well as voltage and temperature. So it's as it is connected to it, this showing 320.